Stage number 7 of love, al-jawa, grief. The affliction which started with this outer covering which we mentioned of shaghaf now takes over the entire heart and results in an inner grief and a sorrow now. And jawa as the meanings of consumption of a chronic illness, which in fact puts the patient off food. And these meanings derive from the properties of the first two root letters, the jim and the waw. And the manner of articulation with the jim is called ashidda, literally severity. This jim, it's an intensive jim, there's a force when you mention it. And the point of articulation of the waw is in fact the jof. Wow, there's no real articulation point of the waw. There's a hollowness, and this we call a jof, a void. So this sound emanates from the throat, but from a hollowness of the throat, and we call that the jof. So the root letters jo are therefore used to indicate the empty inner depth of something, and they often relate to a destruction. From these do we get words such as jab, to hollow out, jah, to destroy, jas, to kill something, ja', to be hungry with an ain, and jof, inside, interior, a void, and jal, to be rooted in battle, or jam, a vessel. So unlike shaghaf, which preceded it, jawa consumes the innermost core of the lover. Again, these root letters, the jim and waw, the jim an intensification, and the waw a hollowness here, indicating that this stage 7, jawa, grief, is a form of love, unlike shaghaf, which preceded this one, consumes the innermost core of the lover.